Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a digital address on Amazon. If you no longer need an address or just want to clean up your account, this guide will walk you through these steps. Let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto the profile icon down below from the screen bar. Once you are in your profile interface, you have to scroll down and search for your addresses. Tap on your addresses. Now on your screen you can see all your shipping and digital addresses. Locate the digital address which you want to remove. Next to it, you will see an option like edit or remove. After selecting your address, tap on remove option. Now Amazon will ask you to confirm the action. Click yes to delete the address. And that's it. The digital address is now removed from your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.